ashawo and hook up the same man. Ashawo the day inside house.
Okay.
So ashawo now you go inside ashawo house and you go pay, you go do your thing come out.
Okay.
Hook up the same man, you go make call.
Okay.
They will come meet you for your side.
Okay.
Which is in me say man, that one a hook up. Ashawo side now, you will go there, you pay.
Okay.
You do your thing. But inside there now, I'll still tell you one or two things. We normally forget say me they see fine boy, they see ugly boy, all those things. But you know good say maybe say man go the chuchuk they go all those area. You know too clear.
So bro, to you now, who try you prefer to patronize more? Between ashawo and hook up?
I know they patronize all of them because why? You know what me no feel patronize all of them. One or two. Now the best. Now the women supposed to they do. But always say the best is not good enough for the women. But inside there now, we will try our best to make sure say all the old women, we will coordinate them well. And inside there now, if you look hook up and ashawo, I know like you, now there be the marriage women when be say they go enter house, they will stay because why? They never you not get Ogbola where they never collect. Then they collect the Ogbola steady one. But inside there now, if you look all those ones now when be say man, that they feel say man, all those ones when be say man, that they feel say man, that they fall say no level, all those things. Now those ones even get deep hole. Well, I get why.
So what if they try to talk now say to marry ashawo na better pass than to marry a girl will not be ashawo?
To marry ashawo na be the better one. You know why? Because for my town they use to make parable. They say, now put that for English. They say now no man, now they kill man. So inside there now. But I know they advise all those girls when they do all those things because na condition. You get me. But inside there now, if you still look on, they say crayfish wey don bend to straighten, e no dey easy. But inside there, if you look on, na ashawo, na me prefer pass all those ones. I get why.
Hey, clear. So you not believe now. You believe and say now this okay now you think say it good not to the patronize all this
No. Be, I know they patronize them because why? Not be good thing. But na condition, na cause. But inside there, I no feel like you, Baba. Huh? Inside there, if you look say man that they do all those things. Now their mind, now they tell you do because not be force. But inside there, I no feel patronize and say man, maybe they do Oshere doings. Now our government, na cause. But inside there, we see thank God say man, all of them when we say they do all those things. If you look out of 100% of our girls when they do all those things, all of them don't they marry. They don't get children.
So now you now if you want advice and you go advise people and say maybe they marry hook up girls and ashawo girls.
No, I don't go feel advise anybody, but
okay.
I will, only which I will just advise any person will be saying you want to do your own thing. May follow in mind. May follow in mind.
You sure say this ashawo of a thing will ever end?
Baba, not be our country for first start. If you look and we get Santo Domingo for this area, yeah, we get Dominicano, we get Brazil. So all of them, if you look at even their country self, you get a better pass our own. But inside there, they see they do that same thing when they do. But inside there now, Baba, I don't feel blame our girls. Only advice me office to give them. May they just try their best, say man. As they do that thing, may they not forget say man, tomorrow still day. But inside there, I wish them the best and luck.
Clear. But inside this ashawo and hook up now, who try to say nine better pass now?
Baba, none of them better. None of them better. But always say man, na the mind of the person or the girl or anyone. Na the mind I go determine how the thing want to play.
Inside the two, you never patronize anyone. This is a hook up or ashawo.
Baba, Baba, me. If you look me myself, to God who made me, I not be womanizer one side, but I be womanizer one side. But inside there, we dey look before we take. And inside there, my daughter now don't they go 12 years now. I know pray say me my daughter go dey that condition wey be say me, which they ask me so, may enter. Because why? Now what are they? Now cause I'm here now. Now cause I'm there. And they work for Fabrica.
Clear. I be lie. So what be your advice now for the people now?
The advice when me get for them be say man. Anybody when be say man, you see person when be say man, if they serious with them, may you deal with them.
Okay.
may you leave the all those stuff. May you leave am so that may take follow up. May she take follow up for anything when she wan do because why? Destiny is the guy take long.
E clear. I'll be like, put on for vital phone. E clear. Thank you guys for watching. Sean, I don't hear wait till this is my big bro just talk now. It's your boy Talent Davido. OBO. Baddest. Who dey breathe?
He choke.